Hi, I'm Maggie Holladay. I'm the founder of Claude Home, a vintage interior design company and artist collections. Welcome to my home. My design aesthetic is very minimal. I like very clean lines. I'm very inspired by Dutch and Italian designers, and that's how I've designed my home. I just moved from New York to LA, which New York is the most hectic place, I think, to live. So having a very serene and calming home was very important to me. I absolutely fell in love with this neighborhood. The greenery is amazing. It's super calming. It's a beautiful place to live and work here, so let's go into my home now. The first thing you notice when walking into this space is these giant windows that are in every room. They're absolutely stunning and bring an amazing light. It gives a space a very old Hollywood Spanish feel to it. The light is absolutely insane. It really highlights the furniture. It makes my pieces pop. This sofa was designed by me for Claude Home, which is a beautiful long linen sofa with amazing curves and French seam detailing. It's one of the first full furniture pieces I've designed, so it's a very special piece to me. To warm up the room a bit, I used this bench as a coffee table. It was actually a Facebook Marketplace find, but I'm very much in love with it. These chairs came from France that I found through an auction site. I had my eye on them for a long time and spent ages trying to hunt them down. These chairs are the original cowhide that they were made in. It's a creamy white with brown and black speckles to it. The fabric is very worn down, which I love, and it shows its age, and I think it's really amazing for your pieces to still show the age because it adds a curiosity element to what you're sitting on and what you own. On the wall in front of my couch, I have a large wooden credenza that I designed. It's something that was very important to me as wires drive me insane, and it hides all the wires on the wall. It also left a big blank canvas on the wall for my projector to watch movies on and have a movie theater feel to my space and still make it very cozy and comfortable. So I love mixing vintage with new pieces. One of my other favorite chairs is this Rietveld chair that I sourced from Belgium and had recovered in a beautiful cashmere. It's super comfy and soft, and it's like a great chair to curl up in. So my dining room also has these amazing windows in it, which brings an amazing light. I added a lot of wood pieces to the room, and everything in there, besides one piece, is actually vintage and sourced by me. I have this beautiful vase by Willem van Hoof. His pieces are very sculptural, but also usable, which I find a little bit rare now these days. So it's a very important piece to me that I have on these vintage travertine pedestal, which I purchased via Instagram. This bench that I found on eBay, it's a set of 2 of them, just popped up on my feed, and I just thought they were really unique and had like an old historical feel to them. So it was a very easy buy for me. Occasionally I also use them as nightstands, as I'm always switching out the furniture in my space. As you can see, I fit a lot of furniture and small pieces into my quaint home, but they're all pieces that mean a lot to me, keep my home at a minimal feel, but also a little eclectic. And that's it for my quaint tour. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe, because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?